Tennis is a fast, fun sport that people play all over the world. In this video, we'll learn the basic rules of tennis, scoring, and how to play. Tennis is a sport where players use a racket to hit a tennis ball over a net and into the other side of the court. The goal is to hit the ball in a way that the other player can't return it. You can play singles, where one player is on each side, or doubles, where two players are on each side. Tennis is usually played outside on a court, but you can also play indoors. The court can be made of grass, clay, or hard surfaces. How do you score? Scoring in tennis might sound a little funny at first. Here's how it goes. The first point is equal to 15. The second point is 30. The third point is 40. And one more point after 40 means you win the game. But if both players get to 40, it's called deuce. Then you have to win 2 points in a row to win the game. Games make up a set, and players need to win 6 games to win a set. Win the most sets, and you win the match. Basic rules of tennis. You must hit the ball before it bounces twice. The ball must land inside the lines on the court. If you hit the ball into the net or out of bounds, the other player gets a point. Players take turns serving the ball to start each game. Fun tennis terms. Ace. A serve that the other player can't touch. Rally. When both players keep hitting the ball back and forth. Love. That's what they call 0 points in tennis. Why kids love tennis? Tennis is a great way to get moving and stay active, improve your focus and coordination, and have fun while learning good sportsmanship. You can play at school with your family or join a tennis team at a local club. Whether you're just learning or dreaming of playing in the US Open one day, tennis is a sport that anyone can enjoy. So, grab a racket, find a friend, and give it a try. For more information and resources related to tennis, head to twinkl.com.